Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm going to be bringing you a couple of items, about 3 items that I bought from Amazon. The first item that I got from Amazon was this. It's a Vercord mini slim small felt purse organizer insert. Okay, that's what this is, and then it's in the color white. Okay, and it's by Vercord, Vercord. I have everything linked down below, and it was $12.99. Okay, so it has a pocket in the front and a pocket in the back. It has some snaps where you can close it. Okay, just open it up, and there you go. It has a pocket in the front and the inside, and one at the back, and then the middle. Okay, which I used it in my bucket bag that I did a haul on from Marshall's. I had bought this bag, and so I got this to go inside this bag. So I'm gonna put it inside the bucket bag, and so it fits right in there. Okay, and so I did use it, and I like it. It kept me everything organized, and I still had room to, once you put it in, I still had room to snap my bag closed. Okay, and also once I put everything in, I also snapped this closed like this. Okay, so and then I snapped this my purse, and that was it. So I really did. I like that. Okay, and then I got this card case to go with my bag. Okay, from Amazon. And this is the Topdesign credit card wallet, okay? And it was $7.99, okay? Open it up, places for your credit cards, So I got that because I didn't have a white wallet or anything to go with that bag. So I got that. Okay, and it was sold by Topdesign, okay? Credit card holder. And then the next thing that I got was, it's Lokass large clear tote bag, transparent backpack. Not tote bag, but backpack. Rose gold trim with adjustable straps and mesh side pockets. It was sold by BBGO factory, and it was $33.99. And this is it right here. And it's that good PVC plastic that it's not gonna tear or whatever. And so I'm gonna show you. Okay, this is the mesh pocket. It's one mesh pocket on this side, okay, and then another mesh pocket on this side, okay, and then up front you have a pocket. So I'll zip it. Okay. This other side here. Okay, and so in this pocket you have places for your pens, and I have my pens in here that I use at work. These are the main ones that I use. Okay, and then up front, in front of that, I have my little card, my index cards. I have that in front, down in front, and then it's also another pocket behind that pocket where you can put something in. It's another pocket behind here. Usually I put my little change purse back here. That's usually what I put in the back here, in this back pocket, okay? So you can put some in front of the pens, and, places for your pens or whatever you want to put here. And then you also have a pocket in the back to put something. Like I said, I always put my change purse back there because I figure that's a good hiding place. I put it back there, okay? So I'm going to zip it back up. Okay. And that's it for the front. And then up top, it has this handle on it, and then it has this holding the handles together. Okay, so you just open this up like that, and it's connected onto the back one, so you're not gonna lose it or anything. And then unzip this right here like that, and then there it goes. You can go into your bag. And so inside, this is inside of it, okay? What I have inside, okay? And I have some lotion, which I use. I have a big old bottle of hand sanitizer, okay? Because as you know, I'm a nurse, so I make sure I have hand sanitizer. And then I have some masks, disposable masks, that I always keep just in case I need some masks. And then, and look what came with the bag. This came with the backpack, okay? And I did really love this. And when I seen this came with it, I was like, oh yeah, I gotta get that bag. I have to get that backpack. I keep saying bag, but you know, I mean backpack. Because it has, I put all my pens in it. And so, you know, you might think I'm a pen hoarder, but sometimes, you know, you let people use a pen, they don't come back with it or leave with it. So, you know, I always make sure I got plenty of pens, highlighters, or whatever I need for work, you know, so, you know, that's what I do. You know, I'm never without a pen to write with, you know, and being a nurse, you know, you have to write things. So that's what I put inside of here. You know, I guess if you wear, I guess you can use it as a makeup bag if you want to, you know, put your makeup in it or whatever, but this is what I use it for, to put my pens in it. So I have that in here. Okay. I'll just lay that over to the side. And then I have my little planner. This is my work planner, what I use for work. The work planner, I got this from Walmart, okay? And it says, love what you do, okay? So this is just my little planner that I keep in there for my schedule and everything. And then I have, this is just a folder for paperwork, you know, paperwork stuff that I, you know, want to keep up with or, you know, might need for a later time. So I always keep my work paperwork in here. Okay. And let's take that out. All right, I'm just taking everything. Oh, I had these, but I had this at the back. This is the back of the bag. It has a zip. And I always keep these here. Because if I need them, I just unzip here and just get them from the back. I always just keep them at the back behind the folder. So I can just unzip here and just get those out if I need them. Yeah, that's why I keep those. That's why I keep those at. And then, okay, this is my lotion that I showed you. Hand sanitizer. And this is some skinny green that I drink. So I just got into a little plastic container. Okay. And then we're gonna look at the inside of the bag. So I took everything out. Okay, mesh pocket in the inside. So convenient for anything you want to put down there. I have a puck socks. That's what I usually keep down there, my puck socks. And I also have a pig that I got from Amazon. Timer when I go on lunch, so I know what time to clock back in, so I won't be late. Okay. And then another mesh pocket over here on the side, another mesh pocket inside. And I have my forks and spoons and everything that I take to work. And that mesh pocket, I think that's all I have in there. Yeah, that's it. So, I mean, plenty of space. You have all this space in the inside, and then you have two mesh pockets on the side and the inside. And then on the outside, you have two mesh pockets on each side. And then you have a zipper compartment in the back. Like I say, I just keep my, these for my teeth. I always keep them right here. And it's like behind the folder. So that's why I usually keep that at. And then you have a pocket in the front. Remember? You got a pocket. Okay, I got this in this pocket, and then place for your pens. And then a pocket at the back. So, I mean, it's plenty of room. I like it. And then it's not heavy because it's got a lot of space and it's just not heavy, which I don't carry a lot of things in my bag. But I'm going to show you. I'm going to pack it back up. This is my folder. So I'm going to put that back in here. That's my folder. And then next I have, this is my work planner. So I have that in here. Then I have my pens. Put in here. Okay. that down in there. And then I have my forks and spoons that I put in the inner pocket in here. On the side. And this pocket over here. And then the other mesh pocket on the side. That's where I keep my alarm and my Polk sauce. Okay. There. And then in the front, I have my hand sanitizer in the front of the, let me see. Yep, in front of my bags with the pins in it. And that's my lotion. And like I said, this is my skinny powder I put right there. So, and that's it. Oh, and so I zip this up. I'm gonna keep it zipped twice, with both zips on top like this. And then I fasten it back up like this. Which you can carry it like this, or you can do the backpack because I got the straps on the back like this. You can do the backpack, and then at the back of the pocket, the one I was saying is a pocket. You know, unzip the back pocket right here. I unzip this, and this is why I keep my Oral-B toothpick right here. I'm gonna put them right back here like that and zip that up right there. So when I get ready for them, I just unzip this and get one out and zip it back up. But it's really not a pocket, it's just an opening because my notebook is right here. So, but it's still convenient to have that right there, so I ain't gotta find them. But and that's it. And you know, you can put your umbrella on the side, or water, you know, water bottle. You know, got bottles of water. You put them in the side of the pockets. Or, you know, any kind of cup you're carrying. So, like I said, I like it. I've really been enjoying it. And sometimes I wear it, let me show you. Sometimes I wear it like this. I just put it over